Hello, everyone. If you're looking for a way to create high-quality AI avatars for your videos, presentations, or business content, you need to check out HeyGen. I've been using HeyGen to generate lifelike talking avatars, and it's been a game changer. Whether you're making explainer videos, social media content, or just want an AI avatar to read scripts for you, HeyGen makes it simple. No need for expensive cameras or studio time. Just type your script, pick an avatar, and HeyGen does the rest. In fact, I've used HeyGen to create the instructional videos on this channel. It has made my content more engaging and professional while saving me a ton of time. The best part? It's fast, easy to use, and the results look incredibly real. If you want to try it out for yourself, click the link in the description or pinned comment. By using my link, you'll be supporting the channel, and I truly appreciate it. So go ahead, give HeyGen a try today, and let me know what you think in the comments.